Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Crypto Corner State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Kujira. The token is KUJI, and you have a big airdrop opportunity with this protocol that we are going to cover. Like always in my videos, we talk a little bit about the project and I give you the step by step. Even if you don't know anything about crypto, if you follow these steps, you are going to be able to participate on this big airdrop opportunity. And this is not only about this Kujira project airdrop, this could bring you hundreds of airdrops during 2024. So this video is mandatory if you are an airdrop hunter. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, happy new year for all of you. Thank you for your constant support on my Discord, on my social medias, and to be here on my YouTube channel checking all my airdrop videos and covering project reviews so we make a lot of money on this new Bullrun. So thank you for your support. This video about Kujira, I would consider it like a part 2 of another video that I did recently. So if you check it, this video, best airdrop strategy if you don't have time. In that video I covered a couple of ecosystems that if you stake the token, you probably are going to get more airdrops in the future. Cosmos has been giving airdrops from a while, Osmosis also, now we are in Celestia, and Injective already staking. So the video of today, Kujira is a protocol built with the Cosmos SDK that also could bring you airdrops in the future. And I think this strategy is a no-brainer because you only need to do that once and just check in a couple of times and you could get many airdrops during this 2024. So let's go and check off Kujira. Kujira is a decentralized ecosystem revolutionizing payment infrastructure and providing sustainable fintech solutions to protocols, builders and Web3 users. An innovation hub of revenue generating products with great user experience that allow retail investors to access opportunities previously only available to the wealthy and elite. Key factors about this project, nobody talks about this, but the Kujira team is public, so you can go to the link and check it. It's called the DeFi of Cosmos because it was created with the Cosmos SDK, but it's an independent layer 1. And the fees of different apps, the native apps of Kujira, goes to the protocol stakers. So there are many things about this project that will make it very interesting to invest. So how you can participate with this protocol? The first thing that you need to do is you need to get your Keplr wallet. Keplr is the one wallet that you are going to use to all the other protocols that I mentioned before. So if you want to go to Injective, Celestia, Osmosis and Cosmos, I recommend you to get your Keplr wallet. If you don't have it, here is the official link to get it. Now the step 2 is that you need to bridge KUJI token into the protocol. So you have a couple of ways to do this. The first option, which is the point 2, is that you can use RocketX to bridge KUJI. So here you have the link to the application, and once you are logging here in this application, you can select from which network to which network, and you can bridge from another tokens and networks into the Kujira ecosystem. So that will be one way to do it. The step 3 of this tutorial is that you can bridge it using the blue native application of Kujira. This is going to be like your dashboard and the place that you need to go for Kujira. So blue Kujira Network, you click here on the link of the step 3 and you are going to see this. So basically this is Kujira Blue, it's one of the native applications. What you need to do here, you just go to Connect Wallet, click here on the icon of Keplr, and you are going to connect your Keplr wallet, and here you can see you have your Kujira address already. If you want to copy your wallet address too, you can go here to the wallet section and copy your wallet, so you can send your Kujira tokens here if you want. And if you don't have, you go to the swap section, you can swap it from many other places on another Cosmos supported ecosystems, so you can swap there, or you can go here to the ABC bridge, so you can transfer from, like I say, another Cosmos Hub ecosystems into Kujira. And also you have the XLR bridge, so you can bridge from another sources ABM compatible wallets into the ecosystem of Kujira. And even with Nomic BTC, you can bridge with the BTC ecosystem. So here is another opportunity to bridge funds and get into the Kujira Blue dashboard and ecosystem. We are going to be back to Blue because that, like I say, is going to be your dashboard and your place for Kujira. But you also have another way to get funds to Kujira, and that is buying KUJI tokens in a centralized exchange. That maybe is an easy way if you are not so comfortable with bridges and all the other stuff. So you can buy it in a CX and then you can withdraw it to KUJI wallet in your Keplr wallet. So like I mentioned before, from here you go to wallet, you copy here your Kujira wallet, and then you can go in which exchanges you have Kujira token, which by the way is at rank 125 right now. And you can see almost all the liquidity is in Kujira Fin, which is actually kind of the centralized exchange on Kujira ecosystem. But you have here MIEX where you can trade it KUJI with USDT. So if you have an account here, you can trade it there and then you can withdraw it using the wallet that you have on your Keplr when you connect into Kujira Blue. Like you can see here, not many centralized exchanges have Kujira and only a couple of DXs, besides all the things that are related to the Kujira ecosystem. So just in terms of investment, and this is not financial advice, this has already 500 million in the market cap. But if you do any projection of this project into a bull run, considering that you only have a max supply of 122 million tokens and the circulating supply is already there, the total supply. So basically everything is in the market right now, and you can see we are already on our FDB. So I think this project and this price could really rise if the protocol continue expanding like it is right now. And yes, this is not financial advice because KUJI token has been pumping a lot from 66 cents on the end of September already to the last local all-time high of $5. So $4.24 is really close to the last all-time high. But again, you can take your chance here. I think it's a great opportunity for this project. And if you buy this token, you can stake it, you can earn airdrops like we are covering. So maybe in 1 year, a little more or maybe a little less, when we are really into the bull run, this could be worth it a lot. You have been already getting a lot of airdrops from Kujira. So you never know, this could be one of those big investments for your portfolio of 2024, 2025. Now going back to the step by step, we already have funds on Kujira wallet. So let's move on. The step 5 is now you need to stake your KUJI tokens in one of the validators. Like in the other projects, remember to check this video if you want to do a similar strategy with the other ecosystems. I would recommend you to go outside the top 20. So let's go again to Blue Kujira, and here you go to the stake section, and here are all the validators where you can stake your KUJI in order to get rewards. Remember, you will need to pay a fee, which is translated as a commission into the validator. So you can search one outside the top 20. And as low as you go, you can see that you will find some projects with very low commission, like here 1%. So make your own research on these validators, but you probably want a mix between voting power and a low commission, and try to be outside of any project that is centralized. So if you see like Binance Kujira, don't stake there. So once you decided to one, so click the validator. Now you can click here stake with golden ratio staking to earn rewards, or click here to stake if you have already your KUJI tokens here. Of course, for the purpose of the video, I don't have anything in this wallet right now. So after you do that, just click on stake. And that will be the most important step of the tutorial. So stake your KUJI. Now step 6 is check the governance to vote. So in the same way in Blue Kujira, you can go to govern and you can see which ones are proposals that are open. So you can see that I didn't vote it on this and ended the 30th of December. So keep an eye on this. So when you have proposal here, go to see the proposal and you will be able to vote it. It's important to vote in the proposals because sometimes what you saw in Cosmos is that you will get more rewards from airdrops if you voted on a specific proposals. So keep an eye on this to vote here. And step 7 is you can interact with the native DApps. So if you go to Kujira Network, which is the official website, here you can go to the native DApps. So go from here to ecosystem, and here from ecosystem, here you have the native DApps. These are the native DApps of the protocol. Many interesting projects, all different, from Launchpad, from Blue that we already checked it, like Orca where you can bid on liquidated assets. So really interesting projects, feeling like a decentralized exchange, but looks like a centralized exchange with order book. So really interesting projects. So try to interact with these projects a little bit. This could be also something that helps you in the future of different airdrops. And then step 8, you can interact with another projects of the ecosystem. This is optional. I think the most important is that you check a little bit the native DApps and you stake and check the governance voting. That will be the best strategy for Kujira to get those airdrops. With that, I think it's going to be enough. But you can go again to ecosystem, and here you have many other projects that are related to Kujira. So check a little bit. Many of them probably don't have tokens either. So for example, you can see Blend, Aqua. So check this, because when they launch, if you interact with them, you probably are going to have also opportunities to airdrops on these protocols. But it's not essential right now on the strategy that I am showing you right now. Also, Kujira already have a TVL of 100 million, and you have here a couple of projects that you can check, like Black Whale, Fusion, and Manta DAO. These are specific projects that run on Kujira, so you can get and check on those. But yes, guys, Kujira is a very interesting project. For more information, you can always go to the official sources, which is the documentation on the Kujira Docs app. Here you have everything that you need to read about Kujira. Super interesting. And like I say, there are many things related to the project that make it very unique and a big opportunity for this 2024. If you want to check more airdrops, go to my website cryptocurrencystate.net/videos. I have been covering airdrops from 3 years already, so you can go and apply to any of these airdrops following the step-by-step like you saw on this video. And also, I have some subscriptions. If you want to make it even better, you can check my subscriptions here. I have a private Discord where all the magic is happening, guys. I cannot be here on YouTube 24 hours a day and creating 2 or 3 videos per day. So if you really want to make money in airdrops, my Discord is the place that you need to be. And I am a developer, so I created an application. You can see the video here on how my app works. So with this app, you can organize your airdrops and apply to many different airdrops. Even if are not part of my YouTube channel and my strategies, you can add your custom airdrops here. So my application is going to resolve you all that problem of organization and appliance to the airdrops. So with my Discord and my app, you are going to be set to very well kill the airdrop hunter path. Here you can see how I create a wallet, assigning it a specific name, and how I apply to the different tasks for that airdrop. So you can do this with multiple wallets. I am doing that with my own application, of course. With these 2 things, you are going to be set for life for your airdrop hunter path. That will be all, guys, for Kujira. This is a big airdrop opportunity for the 2024. Before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and put your comments below. What do you think about Kujira? What are your expectations? I think it's really cool that you can get free airdrops in the future for this project, while you also speculate on increasing price of the token. Remember that when you stake, you are not giving away your tokens. You can get it back after. So you also can get airdrops during 2024, and then you can sell on the top of the market if you catch it. That will be all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.